You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. At the beginning of the week, there was a moderately positive trend in the financial markets. The Japanese market is currently on vacation, but Nikkei futures are trading 740 points above the closing level of the previous session. At the same time, futures contracts for US and European indices rose by 0.2% to 0.6%. The dollar and the euro continue to strengthen against the yen after the soft comments of the head of the Bank of Japan on Friday. The S&P index has already gained 1% since the beginning of September, usually a weak month for the market. Over the current year, the index has grown by 19%, reaching historical highs. Analysts from Bank of America noted that during periods when there are no recessions, the S&P index adds an average of 21% within a year after the start of the Fed's rate cuts. Markets are now continuing to react to the Fed's latest 0.5% rate cut, and futures estimate the likelihood of another significant cut in November at 50%. 9 Fed representatives are expected to speak this week, including Chairman Jerome Powell, 2 governors, and New York Fed President John Williams. Special attention will be paid to the Consumer Spending Index, which is a key indicator of inflation for the Fed. Oil prices rose on Monday amid fears that the intensified conflict in the Middle East could lead to a reduction in oil supplies from the region, as well as amid expectations that a major cut in the U.S. interest rate last week would support demand. U.S. crude futures for November delivery rose 64 cents to $71.64 per barrel. However, weakened economic prospects in countries such as China and the United States limit further price increases. And now to the crypto market. On Monday, Bitcoin reached monthly highs, continuing the rally started after a major interest rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve last week. While the yen and other major currencies remained stable due to the closure of Japanese markets for the holidays, the price of Bitcoin has reached the resistance zone. To continue the growth, a steady consolidation above the $65,000 mark is necessary. In case of correction, support can be found in the $60,000 level zone. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.